What's the meaning of approach? Approach. Approach.
Approach. Approach. The word approach refers to the act of moving closer or nearer to something or someone. It can also refer to the method or technique used to accomplish a task or achieve a goal. Approaching something or someone can have different results depending on the context and intentions of the individual. It could lead to successful completion of a task, establishing a relationship, or gaining better understanding. Alternatively, it could also result in failure, rejection, or miscommunication. Ultimately, the result of any approach depends on various factors such as timing, communication, and execution.